5 secret desires every woman has for her man. Gentlemen, here's the truth that women won't always say out loud, but desperately desire deep down. It's not about grand gestures or empty promises. It's about the subtle, powerful forces that draw her closer to you. What if I told you there are 5 deep, hidden desires that every woman has for her man? Desires that can unlock a new level of intimacy, respect, and attraction. These aren't just random wants. They're rooted in something primal, something that makes her want you, need you, and crave you more than she ever will admit. Let's dive in and uncover these secrets that can transform how she sees you and how she feels about you. 1. She wants to feel like you could leave her, but you choose not to. Deep down, every woman desires the quiet thrill of knowing her man could walk away, but doesn't. Not because he's weak, needy, or clinging to her for emotional survival, but because he's a man with options, confidence, and the kind of masculine energy that naturally draws attention. That's the paradox that turns her on. The tension between your freedom and your devotion. She doesn't want a man who begs to stay. She wants a man who chooses to stay even when he doesn't have to. That subtle power dynamic stirs something primal in her. It makes her feel like she's earned your loyalty, not like she owns it. She craves that intoxicating mix of emotional safety and sexual tension. The kind where she knows you don't need her to survive, but you want her in your bed, in your life, and by your side. When she senses that, when she knows you could be gone tomorrow but you won't, that's when her desire deepens, her effort doubles, and her loyalty morphs into obsession. Because being wanted by a powerful man who doesn't need her, that's the kind of erotic validation no woman forgets. 2. She wants to admire you, but she'll never say it out loud. A woman's deepest desire isn't just to love a man. It's to look up to him, to feel proud of the man she's letting into her body and her life. Every woman, especially the emotionally seasoned, self-aware, high-value type, craves a man she can look up to, even if her lips never admit it. She may speak of equality, partnership, and balance, but behind closed doors, what ignites her deepest desire isn't sameness, it's polarity. She wants to feel your edge. She wants to witness your discipline, your ambition, your unwavering standards. She wants to be challenged by your mind, intrigued by your mystery, inspired by your focus. When you operate on a level that demands her respect, when you're not just emotionally available, but emotionally selective, when your attention isn't cheap but earned, she doesn't just want you, she adores you. But the moment she senses you pedestal her, overshare, or become too eager for approval, the magnetic tension fades. She doesn't want a yes man or a mirror, she wants a mountain. Be the man who lives with purpose, who commands his space, who she has to rise to meet. That admiration she keeps quiet about? It'll show in how deeply she submits, craves, and stays. 3. She wants you to be obsessed with your purpose, not her. A woman might say she wants all your time, your attention, your every thought, but the truth, the deep primal truth, is that she craves a man who's unapologetically consumed by his purpose. Not a man orbiting her every move, but one so rooted in his vision, his grind, his mission, that she feels both proud and privileged to be led into his world. The more she sees you chasing something bigger than her, building, conquering, creating, the more irresistibly drawn she becomes. It's not that she wants to be ignored. She wants to earn your attention, not be handed it like a participation trophy. If you make her your world, she'll test your boundaries, lose respect, and quietly check out. But if she has to fight for a sliver of your time because you're too focused shaping your legacy, she'll show up in heels and lingerie just to steal a moment. That's the paradox. When you chase your purpose like a man possessed, she chases you. Be the man who's not easily distracted, who doesn't pause his grind for validation, who gives her quality over quantity, and watch her desire burn hotter, deeper, and more devoted than ever. 4. She wants to feel your darkness, but not be consumed by it. There's a part of every woman, especially those who've tasted real life, love, and heartbreak, that aches to know the man she's with isn't just nice, but dangerous if necessary. Not reckless or abusive, but powerful, sharp-edged, and unapologetically masculine. She wants to feel the darkness in you, the part that's capable of raw aggression, decisive action, and unshakable dominance. But only if that part is under control, leashed by discipline and wisdom. It's not the monster she fears. It's the man who is no monster at all. She wants to see that glint in your eye that says, I can destroy, but I choose to protect. That you won't collapse under pressure, that you can hold your ground when things get ugly, that if life or danger ever kicks down the door, you'll step forward, not hide behind her. That duality. It turns her on, makes her feel safe, and keeps her surrendering deeper. Let her glimpse the beast you keep caged, not to scare her, but to assure her that in a world full of passive men, you're a man who's capable of war, but mastered the art of peace. 5. She wants your discipline more than your affection. Affection is sweet, but discipline is sexy. Affection is easy. Any man can whisper sweet words, send flowers, or shower her with compliments. But discipline? That's a different beast entirely. A mature woman craves the man who isn't ruled by impulse, but by intention. She watches how you wake up early when it's easier to sleep in, how you train your body when no one's clapping, how you stay locked in on your goals when distractions, including her, come knocking. And yes, she tests your discipline too. She notices if you delay sex when you're focused, if you say no when it's tempting to say yes, if you can hold your line even when her body is begging you to cross it. That kind of self-mastery drives her wild. It tells her you're not just a man, you're a force. The truth is, she doesn't want a man who's always available. She wants to feel like she has to earn your time, your focus, your touch. Because when a man has the power to indulge but chooses not to, just yet, that's the man she aches to surrender to. She doesn't want to be your escape from discipline. She wants to be the reason you sharpen it. She craves being your release after a hard grind. Not because you need her, but because you chose her after mastering yourself. Discipline tells her she's not just anyone. You didn't just give in, you earned her, and she earned you. That kind of self-control, it doesn't just build respect. It builds craving. Conclusion. So, now that you know the 5 secret desires every woman has for her man, it's up to you to embody them. This isn't about playing games. It's about understanding the deep, emotional layers that drive her. If you can master these desires, not only will you become irresistible to her, but you'll unlock a bond that goes beyond the surface. It's the quiet power of knowing your worth and your purpose, and choosing to give her a glimpse of that strength. It's not about what you say, but what you do, and when you align your actions with these desires, you'll see how deeply she'll crave you in return. If this stirred something real in you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with the men who need to hear this. And remember, it's not about being perfect, it's about being undeniably masculine in a world full of noise. She feels it when you are. I'll see you in the next one.